Welcome. If you've ever wanted to remove a group name on Messenger but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the updated steps to remove a group name on Messenger, making your group chat feel a little more personal or just the way you want it. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen, where all your chats are listed. Scroll through your conversations and tap on the group chat where you want to remove the name. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the top of your screen. You'll see either the group name itself or a small info icon, usually shaped like an eye in a circle. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open up the group's settings and information page. Now you'll see the current group name displayed at the top. Tap directly on the group name. This will bring up the option to edit or remove it. If you're using the latest version of Messenger, you should see a small remove or clear button right next to the text field where the group name is shown. Tap on remove or clear. Messenger may ask you to confirm that you want to delete the group name. Just tap yes or remove again to confirm. That's it. The group name will disappear, and your chat will now display the names of the group members instead of a custom title. If you ever want to add a new group name in the future, just follow the same steps and type in your new name. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. If you have any questions or need help with something else on Messenger, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.